Hey guys, welcome back to our Boba Tea series where we're testing and experimenting all things boba. So we got different kinds of teas and how to brew it, different toppings and mix-ins and fillings that we're gonna be making from scratch and wondering if it's really worth it. Honestly, how to pair these teas with different flavors as well. Last video on episode 1, we made our own tapioca pearls or boba. So catch that video, link up in the corner. You can watch that right after you watch this. So today we're going to be talking about this cheesy, creamy, delicious topping that well, is creamy, delicious, and a topping. So before we get into that, welcome to the Adventures of Carly Ann channel, where we're always trying to pursue our passions and trying to get better just a tad bit every day. You know, we want to share our emotions, our experiences, our fails, our successes. We want to share with you. So if you're all down for that, click the subscribe, hit the bell, and welcome to our community.
So we're pretty darn new to this cheese foam topping thing going on, but it's effing delicious. So us being us, we wanted to know how to make it ourselves. Is it worth it? Is it hard? And can we make it better? Since we're on the topic of teas, let's give a quick shout out to today's sponsor and our friends, Zhenzu Teas. Discover the delicious world of Chinese loose leaf tea with Zhenzu Tea. Zhenzu Tea is a modern tea tasting experience perfect for both the long-time and first-time tea drinker. Unlike traditional Chinese tea companies, they provide descriptive flavor notes, harvest time and location, and even brewing guides so that you can enjoy the perfect cup. Go to zhenzutea.com and use our exclusive code CarlyN20 for 20% off your first purchase so that you can also try our cheese foam with their tasty tea.
Cheese foam is really simple to make, but is it worth it? If you're going through the trouble of making your own tea or your own drinks, then it's really not that much effort or much more effort to make your own cheese foam. Especially for those that are particular about their sugars and fats, you can play around with the ratios to suit your needs. To make your own cheese foam, you're going to need cream cheese, milk, sugar, salt, and heavy whipping cream. The first thing we're doing is combining 1 ounce of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together and try to get it as smooth as possible. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Then mix it together, try to get all the lumps out, but don't worry if you can't. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk 3 tablespoons of cream. You don't even want to get this to soft peaks, just until it is thick but still a bit runny. Combine your cream cheese mixture and your lightly whipped cream together, and that's it. You can play around with the amount of cream cheese or even salt that you put in your cheese foam. I love the flavor of cream cheese, so I put in 1 ounce, but ½ an ounce would probably be my base. There you have it, you just made your own cheese foam.
So let us know in the comments what you would put cheese foam on.
So don't forget to subscribe, because next time we're going to be making a really tasty topping. Or should I call it a bottom? It's egg pudding. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.